Good morning, students. Now, in chapter 4, we are going to learn about linear equations of two variables in exercise 4.2. Now, we are going to start exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, solution of a linear equation. So, you have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Means equation in one variable, if you solve the equation, you have only one solution, means unique solution. Clear? Now in case of two variable, equation of two variable, linear equations of two variables, a solution means a pair of values on for x and on for y which satisfy the given equations. Let us consider the equation. Suppose equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and you have to find its solutions or values of x and y. So put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Then 2x plus 3y will be equal to 2 into 3. Put 3 in place of x and 2 in place of y. So 2x plus 3y will be equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, which will be equal to 12. Clear? So this solution is written as an ordered pair 3, 2. It means x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of given linear equation of two variables. Clear? The solution is its ordered pair 3, 2. First writing the value of x and then the value of y. Clear? So in 3, 2 x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Simply you can say that. Similarly, 0, 4 is also a solution for the equation. 0, 4 will also be the solution for the equation. For example, here if you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, then this will be equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4 equal to 12. Clear? So 0, 4 is also a solution for the equation. Now linear equation in two variables. On the other hand, 1, 4 is not a solution of 3x, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 1, 4 is not a solution, because if we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, then 2x plus 3y is equal to 14, which is not equal to 12. Clear? It means the value of x and y does not satisfy the given equation. So 1 and 4 is not a solution of the given equation. Clear? Note that 0, 4 is a solution, but not 4, 0. So 0, 4 is a solution because if you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, then you have 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. But if you put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0, then 2x plus 3y will be equal to 8. So 4, 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Clear? So we can say that 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Solutions are 3, 2 and 0, 4. Clear? So there is no and to different solution of linear equation in two variables. That is, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. You have to remember this point. The linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Example, find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Clear? So in this question, equation is given x plus 2y is equal to 6 and you have to find 4 different solutions. So by inspection, put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Then x plus 2y will be equal to 6. It means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 satisfy the given equation. So two comma 2 will be solution of the given equation. Now if we put x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0, then 2y will be equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 is also a solution of given equation. Clear? So first one solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, and second solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now similarly, if you put y is equal to 0, then you have x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 will be satisfy the given equation. So we can say that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is the third solution. Clear? Now if you put y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 1, then put y is equal to 1 in the given equation, then x plus 2 will be 6, so x is equal to 4. So we can say that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, means 4 comma 1 is also the solution of a given equation. Clear? So 4 of the infinitely many solution of the given equations are 2 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 6 comma 0 and 4 comma 1. Clear? Now see the next example. Find two solutions for each of the following equations. So in this question, equations are given, you have to find two solutions. Clear? So first part, 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So here put x is equal to 0. Then 3y will be 12 and y is equal to 4. So 0, 4 is a solution of the given equation. Clear? Again, put y is equal to 0 in the given equation, then x is equal to 3. So we can say that 3, 0 is the also a solution of given equation. Clear? So two solutions of the given equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 will be 0 comma 4 and 3 comma 0. Clear? Now in second part is 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 in this equation, then you get 5y is equal to 0, it means y is equal to 0. So 0 comma 0 is a solution of the given equation. Clear? Similarly, if we put y is equal to 0 in the given equation, then x will also be 0. So again we get 0 comma 0 as a solution. To get another solution, take x is equal to 1. So take x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to minus 2 upon 5. So 1 comma minus 2 by 5 is the another solution of the equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Clear? So students, you have to solve exercise 4.2 with examples. Okay.